Okay, I got it put together. This is so cute. It is squirrel proof, and this part here makes it so the squirrels can't get into it, but it also provides a little protection from the rain. And these little landing spots, 360 degrees all the way around, and it has waterproof paint on it as well. That should help it last a really long time. This is really cute. I can't wait to hang it up. Okay, I have it set up. It is so adorable. It is squirrel proof, and this protects the seed inside when it rains. The birds can land all the way around it, 360 degrees. It is adorable, and it's by this company called Hezicum. Now I just have to wait for some birds to show up.